Without laptop, USB document camera show on iPad or iPhone. Turn USB microsock into wireless. Hello everyone. When we were teaching natural sciences, USB document camera is often used, or a USB microscope. You must be connected to a computer. We now want to say if there is an opportunity not to use a computer. Just connect this USB document camera or microscope. Record it directly to this memory disk. Is it possible? It is feasible. Our company has a type called USB camera streaming adapter. Just connect your USB document camera. Then connect your USB SSD card. Finally, connect a DC 5 volts. After that, document camera can connect to SSD card and directly record. Of course, it can also be displayed on the TV. There is an HDMI output here. Connect to your TV. USB document camera show on TV directly. If you want to record, press a button here. Press it down and there will be a red light here. Press it again to stop recording. You must wait for him to finish flashing before you can remove it. If I put this USB webcam in place, there is a document camera just now. Replace it with this USB microscope. It can also be recorded. It can also be displayed on the TV. This is the recording. It can also be displayed on the TV. USB endoscope. What we are introducing now is all used in the classroom. There is a TV or projector in classroom, and you can directly use power supply in the classroom. But if I'm going to use it outdoors today, what should I do if I don't have this 110 volt power outdoors? We can use a power bank. What if there is no TV screen outdoors? We can use iPad or iPhone as TV monitor. Let's unplug this power first. Like this. Then I unplug the power cord first. Connect to this power bank. Please turn on the power bank. This one needs to be turned on first. Let it stabilize first. Open it first. Oh, we'll connect again after opening. In this way, there will be lights here. When the light is on, it will also be displayed on the TV. But I'm going to be on TV now. Let's make sure there is live video first. There was no TV screen when we were outdoors. How do we use this iPad wireless display? I introduce a product called HDMI to iOS adapter. Unplug this one first. This HDMI interface we connect to this place, HDMI output. Then he needs power. I connected to the storage interface, but there is only one storage. I connect a hub. Why connect a hub like this? I also need to record the video. It has this hub after. We connect it. There are many more interfaces. Let's connect it again. This is the device connected to the storage. Then the USB of this one is to provide power. At this time, I can press icon again. You can record it here. So how does it appear on the iPad? Open your iPad. Then the wireless connected to this is ready to use. His password is this, 12,345,678. After connected, we can see it when we open the app again. This one, you see. The smoothness of live video is not bad, you see. At the same time, except for one iPad, we can also connect this iPhone. The same idea we use to connect to his Wi-Fi. Then open the app and you can see the screen. That is right. When we were outdoors, this method allows you to share with 2 to 3 iPad iPhones. This is for students to watch, you see. You can also do video recording. Record to your memory card. Record the USB endoscope. You see, I have no problem changing to this microscope outdoors now. At the same time, iPad and iPhone as TV monitor. Then everyone is curious. How is the quality of the video recording of this? Stop recording. Unplug and connect to the computer. Test his bitrate. I use PodPlayer to test its bitrate. The quality of his recordings can be recorded up to 19201080. Its bitrate reach more than 3000, so you don't have to worry about mosaic. Let's summarize. This USB camcorder video converter, a camera that can be used with a regular USB, does not require a computer. You can convert a USB camera to a TV output. You can also record to SD card. Just press it like this to record a video. Then when we use it outdoors, since there is no TV screen, we can only use our iPad or iPhone. Treat it as a wireless screen. This is how we can teach outdoors. It can share to more iPad and iPhone at the same time. Then it is also possible to record the video to achieve the purpose of this outdoor teaching. Of course, this converter has many more features. We should do a demo to this HDMI output, or the function of this video recording. We also have a UVC bypass all the way. This way, it can also connect to your computer OBS.